Hey everybody, Mr. Bone here with our 6th grade roundup and preview video for the week. So let's take a look at what we accomplished this week. We started off with reviewing for the test on Monday. On Tuesday we took that test and some of you did very well, others needed to maybe step up a little bit on that and you decided you were going to do some retakes. So on Wednesday we talked about retakes and the retake cycle and how you do it, and if you look on Google Classroom, you'll see written directions and 2 videos explaining how retakes work. So you can take a look at that if you're interested in a retake. Remember, retakes are for under 70% on the test. So if you got a 75 on the test, that's kind of what you're stuck with. And so you are welcome to retake if you were under 70%. Just follow the instructions that were on there. And also on Wednesday, we started our route to school map and talked about all the instructions. As you can, the hyperlink that's in the assignments went to the instructions. The instructions are also posted on Google Classroom, and a video of the instructions is on Google Classroom. So you can take a look at any of those things and see what we were supposed to do. So we got started on making a map to your house. And then Thursday we worked more on that map. Many of you got it done, and I'm about to go scan those and send them to you in your emails. So if you handed me a test on Thursday, probably today before I leave here, you will have that emailed back to you and you could put that into your presentation. Those of you who did that, you could be done with the presentation. So when you come in on Monday, you could just be like, done, let's turn it in. If you didn't turn the map into me yet, then make sure that when you come in on Monday, you have your map completed and ready so you can hand it to me. And make sure you have the rest of the presentation done, which would be your title slide, leave a spot for the map, do your other 5 slides that have the information and the pictures that you were supposed to take of those 5 places, and tell me why you took, why are those 5 places important. Make sure you have all that done on the project when you come in Monday. Then you can simply stick the picture in. I will email that to you. You can stick the picture in, and then you will also be able to turn it in by Monday at midnight. So that's when we'll make that due, is Monday midnight. Okay? So that's what we did last week. So coming up this week, we're going to start chapter 2. We'll do our picture walk through it, which just means we look through the chapter and we talk about what kinds of things are we going to learn. We are now going to stop the baby steps on the chapters, right? We did last chapter, we read a day and worked a day and read a day and worked a day. Now we're going to read and work in the same day. This will be our new normal. So we'll read section 1 of chapter 2 and do the RITP questions for section 1. Same thing Tuesday for section 2, same thing Wednesday for section 3. Thursday we're going to work on the water cycle diagram. A lot of times this time of year you are also hitting that in science class, so you hit the same things in both classes, and that should help you guys really understand the water cycle really well. We'll also probably have time on Thursday to watch an episode of the Channel 1 News and just kind of see what's going on in the world. Next Friday I'm going to have you guys work on a Quizlet assignment. I'm going to make a Quizlet and assign it out to you guys because we'll be reviewing for the chapter 2 test already. So you can see if you're going to redo the chapter 1 test, you really want to get that done. You want to get it out of the way. You want to be completely done with that so you can move on to chapter 2 with the rest of us. The worst thing you can try to do is try to juggle 2 tests at the same time. So if you are thinking of retaking the chapter 1 test, do whatever you need to do this weekend. Come in on Monday ready to go. Give me whatever it is that you had to do for your retake. I'll get that assigned to you so you can get that test done and out of here. So we are well on our way through chapter 2 this coming week, and I think we're going to have a better turnout or a better production on test 2. I think you guys do a lot better. Now you have an idea of what to expect. You have an idea of how high the bar is set, and I'm sure you guys are going to rise up to that bar. So let's have a successful week here coming up, and I will see you guys on Monday.